Hello kids, myself Pallavi Chauhan. I welcome to our dear Somnath English Medium School. Today I will teach you the subject English. It is in the written also and it is in the oral also. Okay, our topic is sounds of animal. Sounds of animals means जो dog होते हैं, cat होता है, cow होता है, sheep होता है, उनके जैसे sounds होते हैं जैसे हम human being बोलते हैं तो हम we are talking like words, but they have some sounds. They like a dog says bow bow, cat says mew mew. These all are the animal sounds. So we will learn about the sounds of animal. Okay, now just start in the written and do at home in the oral also. First sentence is, come on, just see on the board. It is one number. Just write in the capital cursive A, and you have to write all the sentence in cursive letter only. A, fill in the blanks. It is fill in the blanks. Here you have to write the animal name. A dash says S. A Y S says, a dash says B O W bow, W O W bow, bow wow. A dash says bow wow. Who says bow wow? Who says bow bow? Dog says. Who says bow bow? Dog. Then you have to write here D O G dog. Okay? This is the first sentence. A dog says bow wow. Now next, second one. Just write in the margin 2 number and start it with capital cursive A. A dash says S. A Y S says M E W mew, comma M E W mew, full stop. Sentence is over. A dash says mew mew. Who says mew mew? A cat says mew mew. Okay? Then write here cat. C A T cat. Third one. 3 number. Write in the margin 3 number and just write the capital A. A dash says S A Y S says M double O moo, comma M double O moo, full stop. Okay? Who says moo moo? Who says moo moo? Cow. Who says moo moo? Cow. Then just write here in the fill in the blank C O W cow. Okay? 4 number. Just write in the margin 4 number. Capital A dash S A Y A says B A comma B double A ba bebe. Who says bebe? Baba. It calls baba also and bebe. जो गोट होती है, शीप होते हैं, बोलते हैं ना, that is called the sound of sheep. Then write here in the fill in the blank sheep. S H E P sheep. S H E P sheep. 5 number. Capital cursive A dash says HEWE HEHAW ho he ho HEWE HAW ho. 5 number. A dash says he ho. Who says he ho? Donkey. Donkey. Then write the answer here in the fill in the blanks. DONKEY. Donkey. Okay. A donkey says he ho. Last one. 6 number. Capital cursive A dash SAYS 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 hoop hoop WHOOP hoop comma WHOOP hoop. Okay. Hoop hoop. Who says hoop hoop? Monkey says. Who says hoop hoop? Monkey. Then write here monkey. Just see the spelling of donkey, 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 and spelling of the monkey is MONKEY, monkey. Only difference is of M and D. The letter are same of the backside. DONKEY, donkey, MONKEY, monkey. ONKEY. Okay? These all are the sounds of animal, which is given in your English General Course book. Now just do it again. Now we will do it again. Okay? Topic is sounds of animal. 1 number. A dog says bow wow. A dog says bow wow. 2 number. A cat says mew mew. 3 number. A cow says moo moo. 4 number. A sheep says ba ba. 5 number. A donkey says he ho. 6 number. A monkey says hoop hoop. Okay? Do it at home. Okay? Thank you.